In this episode, we are looking at the best HUD on the market for every price range. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I have listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I have included options at several price points. So no matter your budget, we will have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Aristech. This HUD has a 5.5-inch screen that shows clear details in vibrant colors. The details will be projected on the widescreen to save the driver from the hassle of checking the device. The driver will have access to the information without their eyes off the road. It can work with all vehicles used in all countries of the world. You can set up your speed limit and it will alert you when the limit is exceeded by giving off the alarm. It actually detects low light and will increase its brightness when the sun starts to go down. Sheerox Car HUD. This HUD eliminates the need for you to go on journeys alone, as it offers itself as a reliable companion. It displays sharp and clear pictures on its 3.5-inch screen and then projects it on the windscreen to enable you to see the displayed information clearly. It has been equipped with the nanotechnology that clears double reflections and stops the screen from displaying blurred pictures. This HUD displays only information the driver needs to know to leave the ones that might cause them to lose focus. Additionally, it has been programmed to switch itself on when the car starts. HUDway Glass. This HUD works in a unique manner with the ability to connect to smartphones and make them work like a HUD. It utilizes an app that is available on iOS and Android to perform the functions. It assists the driver by helping them navigate through the city so they can reach their destination on time. It displays on the widescreen in front of the driver, eliminating the need to look away from the road to see the information. It comes with a glass cradle, a wiping cloth, an adjustable mount, a soft pouch, a manual guide, and a warranty.